Good afternoon everyone. My name is Rajveer from Ideal Global School 7th class. Today standing here as representing the topic of Know Your City. Basva Kalyan is known as the land of Sharanas and Stupis. It is also known as the land of great religious reformer Basaveshwara. From some information we came to know that the population of our city is 94,000 and literacy rate is 54%. Now as you can see behind me is Basva Mahadwara, constructed by the government of Karnataka. It has lights in it which glow at night. It is also known as the entrance and the exit gate of Basva Kalyan. As you can see behind me is Anubhava Mantapa. At the time of 12th century, our city had the first parliament in the world named Anubhava Mantapa. The first president of Anubhava Mantapa was Allama Prabhu. There were 770 Sharanas in the Anubhava Mantapa. The sum of the main Sharanas are Allama Prabhu, Akka Mahadevi, Basaveshwara, Madiwal Machidev and etc. As you can see behind me is new Anubhava Mantapa. The former Chief Minister of Karnataka, B.S. Yediyurappa, funded 650 crore for the construction of this Anubhava Mantapa. This is constructed by Shirke Constructions, Pune, with the help of 7 IIT engineers. As you can see behind me is Basaveshwara statue. This comes under Basva Mahamane. The Basva Mahamane full area is about 25 acres. This statue is about 108 feet long in height. Surrounding of this statue are Kayaka Sharanas. On the left side of statue there is a cave called Basaveshwara Cave. This statue is constructed in 2001 by Mahate Mahadevi. Was the first Pitadipati of Swa Mahamane. This is associated with the hallowed memories of Sharanas of 12th century. On the bank of this river tank there is a temple of Ishwara called Tripurantakeshwara temple and Nandi. You can see behind me is Akka Nagama's cave, an elegant stone pillar of Akka Nagama, who is the sister of Basaveshwara. This is a cave. In that cave there is another cave which is said to be that of Channa Basavanna, who is son of Akka Nagama. The local people said that this cave contains the samadhi of Chalukya Zayyana and his guru. This is Taluka Sarvajanika Aspatre, means our taluka's government hospital. Here sick people or injured people, they can show here for free. They don't charge any amount. For treatment. There are many other 95 hospitals like Mulge Hospital, Patil Hospital, Rifa Hospital, Holkunde Hospital, etc. This is Ideal Global School. Behind me, Ideal Global School and Ideal PU College. This is my favorite school in Basva Kalyan. There are 139 educational institutions in Basva Kalyan, like Ideal Global School, PU College, Ideal Olympiad and Basaveshwar School, Gnanapriya School and etc. The north side of a town there is a strong spacious fort which was constructed by Chalukyas of Kalyana. Inside there is a small cannon. Beside that big one, which is 694 centimeter in height, which is also known as Navgaz. This is Purushakate. This is located to the north of Basaveshwara temple. This is a stone platform. Purusha means philosopher's stone. Basaveshwara used to sit here and give alms to their needy person. This is Sher-e-Sawar Dargah near Gandhi Chowk. Sayyid Tajuddin was born in Khorasan at the city of Iran. He came to Kalyan at 1387 AD when the Bahamani II was ruling from the Gulbarga. Legends say that He rode on lions, and he used snakes to tame them. That is why it is called Shere Sawar. This is Bashveshwara temple. This is located in the central area of the town. Many devotees from far and near come here for worship. Every Monday, devotees gather here for a special worship. An annual fair is held. An annual fair is held in the auspicious of Shri Bashveshwara Devasthana Samiti of Basava Kalyan in the month of Vaishakha.